Okay, I'm using two 80mm telescopes and with the eyepiece of the 24mm Panoptic. This is the SD80 Skywatcher, and this is the Skywatcher 72ED. So it's around yeah 8mm less. But let's just see how it is. And this is the widest angle possible eyepiece you can use. And I'm looking to see the Comet A3 Tsuchinshan-ATLAS. Oh, hallelujah! I found it, and I'm looking with the 72ED Skywatcher with the Teleview Panoptic 24mm 68 degrees. Amazing. That's this star near the center. Okay, now let's try with the Skywatcher SD80. Is a achromatic against this one, which is apochromatic. That means it may have false color. But just let's find it and see if I can observe it. Okay, I photographed it now, and I can say that the image with this one is actually brighter. Surprising. 8mm bigger, and I feel that this is actually better. I tried to photograph it with a mobile phone camera, and the image, if it is not better, is equal to this, the image through this. So this, of course, 2-inch star diagonal, but the eyepiece is 1.25, and this is 1.25 and 1.25. So I'm a little bit surprised by that. I can say the magnitude of the comet is now 2, or between 2 to 2.5, slightly fainter than last time that I saw it 2 nights ago. I'm going back again to the Skywatcher ED72, 72ED I should say, and just have a look again. Amazing, the tail of it, a photograph through this beautiful tail. Lovely. It's very similar to Comet Neowise, probably a little bit brighter at the moment. Okay, that was the image through the Skywatcher 72ED and the Panoptic 24mm. Let's just go back again to Skywatcher SD80 Achromatic. So that was the image through the Skywatcher SD80 Achromatic. Very cheap telescope on a Dobsonian mount. Both of them are Dobsonian mounted. I have from other telescopes. I think it's Skywatcher Virtuoso. Okay, after imaging the Comet A3 for multiple times, I can say the sky background in the 72ED is slightly darker than this. And the color in both of them, the Comet is kind of yellowish, creamy white color. Which one I prefer? I think I prefer this one. Although for the money, that's really cheaper with this one. Of course, Eyepiece is the same price, more than the telescope itself, if you can find it. Yeah, the sky background in this one is have a tinge of green, and it's brighter, it's definitely brighter. This one is black or blue. It depends on the angle of the camera and the eyepiece. This is good, but the sky background is a little bit brighter. This one is better. Okay, both of these telescopes give very similar views. When you are trying to photograph it, I mean imaging, electronic imaging, the background you get with this is slightly brighter and slightly green. With this one, usually it is darker, and visually the Comet in this one is slightly fainter than this, although it compensates because the background is darker. And in this one, the Comet is slightly bigger, so probably a bit magnified. This one is a little bit less magnified, I should say. So both of them are capable, and both of them are good. And I cannot, recommend one against the other. This one has a different price range to this one. So if you want to observe any of these, just pick whatever you like for deep sky object, for comet viewing, after binocular. These are the tools you can use, probably the best, easiest, small and easy. I'm really glad that I had these two Panoptics. I used them for the bino viewing, but now in this comparison, I can actually have the similar field of view at least. The refractors had very slightly different 8mm objective diameter, but the rest of the things being equal, I feel that both of them are really good. For observing the comets, they're perfect. They give you a really nice wide field of view for observing this.